Hey guys, today we're gonna show you how to get all sorts of gift cards,
like iTunes gift cards,
Android gift cards.
and you can buy gems from them too in Clash of Clans and other games which require you to get updates. So first go to featurepoints.com. So
You just press that button, the red
start
button.
earning rewards, then press I'm not using private browsing and
We're gonna just press
press
that,
that, and
and
then
then
enter this referral code. You will BPQE78.
QE78.
It will only give you one chance, so press
All
this.
capital.
All capital letters. And then press continue. When you press continue, it will show you this and download now. Press download now, and then
You just press get,
get, and then install. When you press install, it will load up quickly. When that loads up, open the app. Now open feature points.
Yeah. It's gonna load. And you press open feature points.
It will say start earning rewards with feature points.
You can do this by Google Play too.
Yes. And then
Press start earning rewards.
you, then it will show you this again. I'm not. And then enter this referral code. You will only have one chance. So it is all capital letters, and then you press you press uh,
Come on.
you press I am searching for I have it in my notes. So
Yeah, there it is.
B
B
P and
Q
then Q.
E 7 8.
Be sure to press this because you'll get
Money
extra
points.
points in the first time you and you see that you get 50 points by doing nothing, just by entering a referral code. Now you
And
have all these apps to download, and when you download them you'll get points, and for those points you can trade them for gift cards, and you can and like I'm searching for an app right now so I
a
can.
gaming app.
Yeah, because we like games. Sorry, we like games, and we'll do township. Township will give you. Now you have to play these games for like 2 minutes. It's so easy. Now press get, and then install.
It's gonna take some time.
And this is the fastest way to get free gems in Clash of Clans and get free gift cards.
And it's also safe. It's no hacking or something like that.
Yeah, Apple has approved this. Others, Apple hasn't approved, so and Android. So this is a safe and trusted way to get free gems. No,
Now
to get free iTunes and Android gift cards and other gift cards. So now press open. When you press open, now you play this game for like 2 minutes, which we played. See, which we played. Now, when you do that, exit the app and go to feature points again. Now press open feature points.
and see that, guys, you got the points. I think it had something like 36, but what you want to do is go for the higher points.
Yes. And then what you want to do is go to the rewards, and when you have enough points you can buy all these gift cards, and you can even get paid apps for free. Like the Amazon gift cards, PayPal gift cards, iTunes gift cards, even $5 gift cards for iTunes.
They even have Xbox gift cards. Now I'm gonna write something.
Like,
Minecraft.
so if I have 4,000 points, I can trade my points for a paid app like Minecraft or any other app that I want. And this is the fastest way to get free gems, no, to get free gems in Clash of Clans, and to get free gift cards like iTunes, Amazon, PayPal, and then Android.
Be sure to like, subscribe, and remember, excellent.
Yes. Thanks